Ezo Beats.
Flip to the pain, okay, the red, yeah, on my way down. Shopping on me like Labor Day. I talk about money, right? Sex and drugs, it's funny. That's true. Niggas all want something from me. Push off the mic and I hit the ground running. Flip to the pain, okay, the red, yeah, on my way down. Shopping on me like Labor Day. I talk about money, right? Sex and drugs, it's funny. That's true. Niggas all want something from me. Push off the mic and I hit the ground running. Put me on a podium, I feel like I'm on top now. That bitch really did that mean that she giving me top now. I've been driving so fast I don't think that I'll ever go slow down. Got a 40 on me and all these motherfuckers get mowed down. Like right now, look a nigga up just like some Kung Pao. They don't fit the vibe, they jacking my style. Making songs for a minute, a long while. And I know what everybody gon' say, but I bet they don't rap with this wordplay. So think twice if you think you gon' hurt me. I gotta fly, I said Verzide. Flip to the pain, okay, the red, yeah, on my way down. Shopping on me like Labor Day. I talk about money, right? Sex and drugs, it's funny. That's true. Niggas all want something from me. Push off the mic and I hit the ground running. Flip to the pain, okay, the red, yeah, on my way down. Shopping on me like Labor Day. I talk about money, right? Sex and drugs, it's funny. That's true. Niggas all want something from me. Push off the mic and I hit the ground running. I rap ignorance. All this money getting spent. All these niggas really be my pets. I'm the teacher, so I might need a vet. Send the check, bitch, I need an advance. Broke her neck with the Louis in my pants. Cardigan, bitch, you know that I bought it. That what you call it, this money be chronic. I know that I said I'm alone, but don't bother, please don't bother hitting my phone. When I'm in my mind, in my zone, I feelin' better, out of the weather, all on my own. Flip to the pain, okay, the red, yeah, on my way down. Shopping on me like Labor Day. I talk about money, right? Sex and drugs, it's funny. That's true. Niggas all want something from me. Push off the mic and I hit the ground running. Flip